Oranges are harvested by hand or machine, ensuring only ripe fruit is selected. They are quickly transported to processing plants to preserve freshness. At the factory, oranges are unloaded and sampled for sweetness, acidity, and quality. The fruit undergoes a vigorous wash to remove dirt, leaves, and any surface contaminants. On sorting conveyors, damaged or unripe oranges are removed manually and automatically. They are graded by size to ensure uniform processing in the extractors. Graded oranges are held in sanitary silos before extraction. Here, the oranges meet the heart of the operation, the industrial extractor. Each orange is sliced in half with precision. The halves are pressed and reamed, squeezing out every drop of juice. The juice is immediately strained to remove seeds and large pulp particles.
The removed pulp isn't wasted. It's stored to be added back later if needed.
Samples are analyzed in the lab to ensure consistent flavor and quality. The raw juice is stored in temperature-controlled tanks to preserve freshness.
To ensure safety and shelf life, the juice is pasteurized, heated quickly to kill microorganisms. It is then flash-cooled to lock in flavor and nutrients.
Next, oxygen is removed to prevent spoilage and maintain vitamin C content.
Most commercial orange juice is made from concentrate, a process that removes water to reduce volume for shipping.
Some juice is packaged as not from concentrate, meaning it's never concentrated and reconstituted. In a multi-stage evaporator, water is gently removed under vacuum at low temperatures to preserve flavor.
The volatile flavor compounds, called essence, are captured and saved to be added back later.
The resulting concentrate is extremely thick and is stored frozen until needed. To ensure a consistent taste year-round, juices from different harvests and regions are expertly blended.
Vitamins like C are often added to meet nutritional standards.
A final filtration ensures a smooth, consistent texture.
Many factories produce their own bottles on-site from plastic pellets.
Bottles are sterilized immediately before filling. High-speed filling machines fill dozens of bottles per second with incredible accuracy. Caps are applied and sealed instantly to preserve freshness. Bottles are sterilized immediately before filling. Caps are applied and sealed instantly to preserve freshness. Each bottle receives a batch code and expiration date. Every bottle is weighed. Incorrect fills are rejected. Labels are applied, often with tamper-evident seals. Every bottle is weighed. Incorrect fills are rejected. Vision systems perform a final visual inspection.
Bottles are grouped and wrapped for retail sale.
Packs are automatically boxed for shipping.
Robots palletize the boxes with efficiency and precision. Finished pallets await distribution in climate-controlled warehouses. At a local packaging plant, concentrate is blended with water and the saved essence to recreate fresh-tasting juice. For long shelf-life cartons, juice is filled in a sterile environment without refrigeration.
Every batch is tasted by experts to guarantee the perfect, consistent flavor profile.
The result is the pure, consistent, and refreshing orange juice found on shelves worldwide. That vibrant color and fresh poured taste, the signature of a global industry.